Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday, hitting the highs at 29.28, while silver has also moved towards $32 levels. But interestingly, if you recall, I have shared several times 29 2024 should be a good resistance. Gold tried to break past 29 2024 zone, but failing to do so again. Can we say that the highs are done for gold? Can we expect bearishness today, or it is going to break past the record levels again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. When you look at the hourly charts for gold, you can find out it is under retracement. It is trading in this retracement channel. Let it come out of this channel. Specifically now, I'll wait for 2900, 2895 zone. If this is taken, then you can expect there should be more bearishness here, where we are looking for 2886, 2880 levels, the next support, and if that is taken, we are looking forward to greater correction. If you see what has happened here, I have shared yesterday as well. See, this was the consolidation zone, then this dip has arrived, or the dip was seen, and then again a retracement. So it is trying to trade in a box, and the lows of this box are now towards 2840, 2820 zone. I will wait for this to break out. I will wait for the price to break now below 2880. Any drop below 2880 should be an indication that now we are again ready for a good round of drop here. Though if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over on the buy side and these are trading bullish, while the stochastic has dropped. The MACD also has crossed over. It is right now looking downwards, trading bearish. The RSI has also dropped. Signs are still bearish. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, the crossover here in the moving averages, it's still on the buy. But also you should notice that it is offering a greater resistance here on the upside. See, a reversal sign, then one dip retracement, and again trying to take a dip here. I will wait for it to now trade below 2902 levels. That will confirm the next move all the way towards 2895, 96, 87, 88, and 2880. And below that you can expect a greater correction, while on the upside the resistances at 29 2024 are pretty strong. Again, I am highlighting this fact. The move above 29 2024 should be an indication of bullishness, but let's have a further look what to expect. See, stochastic looking down, this is again a bearish sign. The MACD has retraced and it is now crossing over for sell, and see, it has shown a V-shaped move here. For the last few times you can see price is reversing from this zone. So whenever it is bearish, it tries to reverse from this zone, and thus the current levels are pretty crucial here for gold. If you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, again a slight bearish sign. On the 3-hour charts, when you see on the 3-hour charts, you can find out, see, it is trying to find or get some support from around 2900, 2902 levels. Also the moving averages have converged here but not yet crossed. Thus, for now, we need to wait. We need to wait for it to trade below 2902, 2900 levels. That will invite more bears out here, and then we expect downside. Else, what's happening? Notice after the drop, it is bounced back, then double bottom, and now if it breaks beyond 29, 2024, we are looking forward to a rise. But right now, too early to conclude on both the sides. Right now, it is trying to trade bearish. See, the stochastic looking downwards. Signs are still not supportive for further bullishness. The MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge, not yet crossing over. This is still on the greener side. That is still on the buy side. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, notice the movement here. A very good swing candle retracement, and again trying to erase the gains from this candle. Very, very important for the price to erase the gains from this candle, and that is where 2902, 2900 will come into picture. If you look at the moving averages, these are again starting to look upwards after crossing over here on the sell side. After a while, almost 8 to 10 weeks, it is stayed on the greener side. It is traded bullish with too much of divergence. Now it is crossed over on the sell side. What I am looking at, if you see the picture here, you can divide this into two. You can see this as a box, and you can find that the lows of the box are now towards 2840, 2820. While on the upside, it is only about 29, 2024. You can say that it is turning bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is still trading bullish after the crossover, looking upwards, trying to gain some ground after this good dip. Let's see how far it can stretch the rise, while the RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to the daily, let's see on the daily charts here, higher lows are seen, and you can also see today the day is starting on a bearish note. It can still deliver a bullish candle, though the upside is going to be difficult for gold to break past by. Again, I am highlighting this fact. It is going to be difficult for gold to stay above 29 2024, and the farther it moves from the 29 2024 zone, either on the upside or down, the bullishness or bearishness is going to get increased. So yes, if it breaks here on the upside, breaks beyond 29 30 32, you can expect 29 40 and then 29 55 levels, though such a move appears to be difficult. However, the momentum what we had seen yesterday, if it continues with the same momentum, uh, the rally towards the top cannot be denied. The stochastic is rising here while the MACD after the crossover trading bearish looking down, and the RSI is running flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where you should. I will only recommend you to buy if you now see gold trading above 29.16 levels, expect 29.20, 29.24, and then 29 30 32. If these levels are taken, stay bullish. We are waiting for 29.40, 29.50, and then 29.55, 56. Anyways, any move above this should be a clear sign that now 3000 levels are going to be there. I am not very much in favor of such a rise though. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 29.02. Below 29.02, you can expect 28.96.95 as the first target, 28.88.87 as the second, and then 2880 level should appear. Below 2880, stay short for 2871, 2860, and then 2840 levels. Yes, if it starts to correct today, we are looking forward to a greater correction. That is very much possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see it has delivered a flat top 32, offering a very good resistance. I have mentioned yesterday as well. 32 should be a greater resistance zone. What has happened since then? It is just finding support from 31.8075, trying to bounce back. I will wait for it to stay now above 32.10. That will be the confirmation of the next move towards 32.2025, and then if that is taken today, you can just stay bullish from there. Expect 32.50, 32.60 levels as the next targets. Moving averages here have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and bullishness, and the support levels on the downside between 31.60, 31.80 should be very, very strong here. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. MACD running flat. A crossover here is awaited. Right now it is struggling. It is still on the sell. RSI is rising, showing modest signs of bullishness here. On the 2 hour charts, and you look at here also, the crossover is very important. This is a good sign for the bulls. But when you look at the formation, rise retracement, and trying to break out, it needs to stay above 32.10, 32.25 in order to confirm for the rise. Else, what is happening? Notice here also for silver, after this bigger decline, it is trading here in the box. It is at the top of the box, and from here the reversal can be expected where the prices could move towards the bottom. Where is the bottom? 31 30 80 levels. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is trying to converge here. It is still in green. The RSI is trying to bounce back. On the 3 hour charts, and you look, similar observation here on the 3 hour chart. See one bearish candle, then the retracement. I can see a resistance here at 32. Now wait for a reversal. Wait for the price to trade below 31.80, 31.75. I will say 31.75 levels. Below this, you can expect it to land all the way towards 31.50, 40. Now what will happen here? Notice the formation. This is become a flat bottom, and once it breaks below 31.50, 40, we can expect a good round of drop, and then it will move all the way towards the bottom of this box, which is right now at 30.75, 30.80 level. Early to conclude though, we have to wait for it to take a direction. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is rising, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts also similar observation, though it is consolidating here after this, see symmetrical candles with good rise. However, it is struggling to break either on the upside or on the down. We have to wait for silver to take a clear direction. The stochastic rise, MACD rising, trading bullish, the RSI running flat. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice first of all these two candles, the bullishness getting diminished after showing a reversal sign, and it has come to a point where it needs to decide the breakout here. Yes, a breakout here should take it all the way towards 32.50, 60, while a reversal could take it all the way towards 31, 31.20. This is a critical zone because see, this is almost at a point from where it has to either reverse or to deliver a massive move on the upside. Though two successive candles here expects that the third candle has to be there. However, I can say that it is going to be difficult for silver to break beyond 32.25 levels. So you need to wait still for it to take a direction. The stochastic rising, the MACD right now trading bear is trying to converge, and it is still lot much of room on the upside. The RSI is running flat. So looking at, I will I will recommend you to buy at 3205 levels. Expect 32.20-25 levels at the first target, 32.50-60 at the second. And if that is taken, sky is the limit on the upside. We are looking forward to 33 plus levels. Though I am still not in favor for such a stronger rise today. Thus, you need to be cautious. But one thing you should remember: the farther it moves from 32, the more bullish it is going to be, and thus you need to watch out the levels, the resistance levels on the upside. Breaching these levels, certainly we are looking forward to a greater momentum. While on the downside, now the selling entry should be at 3175 levels. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 3150-40 as the very good support. Any drop below 3150 and 40 should be a clear indication that we are looking forward to 3120, and below 3120 stay short for 3080 levels. And if it that is taken, 3050-30 should be there very soon. There is a strong possibility to it. However, I can say that metals, specifically gold and silver, gold has more probability compared to silver, and thus you need to be cautious with silver at least. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank